Have you ever had creamy Italian meatball soup? It's really easy to make and it's just perfect for a cool weather day. You can use either frozen meatballs or you can make your own. Today, as you can tell in the video, I made my own. If you're going to make your own, just brown those a bit in olive oil in the same soup kettle you're going to be using for this recipe, and then set those aside. And then add in 1 diced onion, cook that a few minutes, add the meatballs back to the pan, and then add 6 cups of water, a chicken stock flavoring packet, 2 tablespoons of better than bouillon chicken stock, and then you cover that and bring it to a boil. And then after a few minutes, you add 8 ounces of rotini pasta, 12 ounces of cauliflower, and 8 ounces of spinach. You cover and cook it about another 10 minutes. And then you add 1 pint of heavy cream, and then 5 ounces of a cheese blend. I use a shredded cheese of Parmesan, Asiago, and Monterey Cheese blend. It's really nice for this recipe. You stir that to incorporate it while the cheese is melting, otherwise it'll get all gloopy on you. But you turn down the heat then, and you simmer it until the pasta is done. Once the pasta expands, sometimes it soaks up quite a bit of water. You might need to adjust the water a little bit if it gets too thick, so you adjust your liquid as needed. But you can get all of the recipe details on our website, wholesomefarmhouserecipes.com or patternprincess.com. In our bio, you'll have the links to both sites. Enjoy this recipe. It's really tasty. Hope you give it a try.